Everyone who joins the U.S. military must complete some sort of boot camp or basic training. For the enlisted personnel who make up roughly 82% of the military, it's called exactly that, boot camp or basic training. But for officers, the leaders of the U.S. military, it's called something entirely different. A big portion of their entry-level training is generally known as Officer Candidate School, or OCS for short. While everyone gets a taste of the wonderful joys that come with boot camp, such as long days, sleep deprivation, physical training, and drill instructors, officer candidates are generally held to a higher standard and must also be trained on how to lead by the time they're finished. In other words, they too go through a rigorous training program just like everyone else, but the bar is set much higher for them. Officers make up roughly 1/5 of the US military, and they outrank all enlisted personnel. Putting it as simply as possible, officers make orders and enlisted personnel follow those orders. That means that a butter bar, which is an endearing term people like to call O1s, fresh out of OCS will be placed into a leadership position and will be expected to serve as a leader in their job or role. Because of the extra responsibility that naturally comes with being an officer, that means that they need to be given a solid foundation in their entry-level training to ensure they are as ready as possible to lead a group of enlisted personnel when they commission.